The president of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria, Justice Benedict Kanyip, has called for a collective effort from all stakeholders to deepen the promotion of labor justice as a way of enhancing industrial harmony and social justice in the country. He made this call at the 2025 annual public lecture of the court held in Abuja. Senior reporter Celestina Iria has details.
The theme for this lecture is labor law and labor law education. It is the fourth edition of the court's public lecture since the assumption of Justice Kanyip as president of the court in 2019. President of the National Industrial Court, Justice Benedict Kanyip, called for the polarization of labor laws in schools to enable more people to become acquainted with what the law says and what rules are expected of them in the matters of labor relations. This education is critical for promoting social justice and adherence to legal regulations like minimum wage, working conditions, anti-discrimination laws, and the general impact on the economy.
To listen to analysis of workplace crisis in the media, whether traditional or otherwise, and you will be alarmed by the scope of poor understanding of labor law that prevails amongst the populace. This recalls the biblical admonition in Hosea 4:6. My people perish for lack of knowledge.
Professor of Law from Obafemi Awolowo University, Ademola Popola, urged aggrieved workers to explore other dispute resolution mechanisms. He warned that if the capacity of the NICN is not promptly enhanced, it will soon be overwhelmed.
Mutual coexistence of both parties and accommodation rather than antagonism or revolution was crucial to the amicable resolution of conflict in the workplace. In sum, while the institutional school recognizes the fundamental differences between labor and capital,
whether educated or not, breathe and drink labor law and justice, whether in the formal sector or the informal sector.
Labor justice is the framework rooted in social justice, human rights, and the rule of law, which aims to ensure fairness and dignified working conditions for all. Celestina Iria, TVC News.